Remember, I give you a your ego.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can most of us.
And the
it take you very.
That's what become me sorry.
It's any sex
na. I remember na a man show woman will come.
Oh, that be. And yes, sir, that be baby. Okay. You see, when you see a value in a woman, and when you value women, saying sorry to your fellow human being, it's not bad. But baby, why money no put up a say war ban na sampa ni chow. So or baby muni kunua. Uko genesis of it. Na started. Most of it, the young man. Until we yes, one day or explode the house or baby one.
Edofo and then some more power kesia pa ediba a red lantern program if you the beer abrano watchy abo king nearly abasomo over too much each so now when you say program media say a bama our reform near yatinam branching watching now so bema intimi employer ye one day ebi ane ye subai and I say ye ni binti and a ekobanasa programming eboa ama wo stands baby was the right red lighter a bar or relationship more and wow or bar was when you bar so bema was when you bar so now you're very careful now so partner would choose no so or you're the right person and I said on you're the right person na enne empress matna si na unim se eye enkomo and I bidi na ye shianti and I kasafa a dear binti and na mafwa worry and your worry etimi engina na enchakra na worry ne obi worry watch 2 years 3 years obeti na problems and now onam nase ho ochina onam court onam counselors so ediebe pa ne problem a edisa enyema ne eba ne nyina yebe hu ne nyina enne asana program ABC na wonim se eba na worry so de nipa mienu na egitum se wo be worry na oba kwa ko hu ne dofo o se nipa so mesi ye metwetwemotwo memfem pade dodo na beka se nyame yi a kyerɛ me esa me bofo ano ono no bɛboa me afei abra odo won ntem no igodu baabi na wo makoye atamfo so enye bibi na ekoka papa e manage kyerɛ dana eye bibi ntia enne red me train ye be wie ye program na wo hu ne nyina so wo eye sa suban ni bi mu a na watwe ho afiri ho enam so mo aware age cha na wotu ho fo wo ho na ho a wo betu ekwan a wo befa so woni ho be settle issues ema amanfo enti na mo me kai wo say the program you person sponsor number na itwa go screen so betimi afre na ye no wadi nsa wo so betimi a sponsor na dia ba kwa da bia me kan say woni wo dofo na enhwe program enye selfish onko a enhwe friend no metina wo nchen na wanya mo wan ye si mo nchen ene choice bi kan so what you say wo hwe no na wo de hyehyɛ so wo hwe no na wo gi na agoro na saa de bewie no na entokwa ne so atwa court a wonam esa opese ugya ware na wanya futu ahu se anka me maniti yenya BPM emeka na munim se me ko a mintimi entinase enkasa emma me ho na me misa me nsem na me yiyi me nsem anonti e wo se me nyama bedwafo a eye efiada bia me ni omu betimase na wo boa me na ye nyina yesua ade enne maton safre ni petitiri wankasa minna na dinchire okwa no me se wa ye curious opese ho sa nipa na nipa me kama nsem oyo bia eba no relationship mo utimi etwere otiase onim the do's and the don'ts enema wo ya yeboa na wo ya yamboa oba se ne obekra wo ho obetimi ahwe nema so wo fie ama brepia be mani agye wo ho onyo bia se me director Ben Bruce akope osanso yo D4 come on Bible school but o shem kom onim ze ne ye shem kom am so for ne kom se nyina onim ne trick ni nyina obehye obi ma ochi edi eno echi nso me wo me ma ho ofefo oba so no onam sa team body a body obegina ho say yes obeni wasum Ghana mpin bebre Ghana fo nso nimu no na Ghana fo mmebu nso ehwe no esua no Oya dodoɔ na a role model. Ene sɛ yɛka sini twadwuma na sɛ ɔka ho bidia na nea me sure sɛ afei na wohwɛ sɛ wo ho ɛyɛ na yɛsi a abrabɔ a yɛbɛbɔ no yɛkɔ yɛnim no sɛ wohwɛ w'akyi a na wahu sɛ nea meyɛ enya impact ɛwɔ bi so anaasɛ enya impact sɛ enya impact wɔ bi so deɛ a ɛno no wonte na wotena se ɛsɛ wobɛsia kɔ anim ama nea wasua nea wafam nea wahunu amanfo nso asua bi ɛho no enti da bia no ɔmo mudi w'akyi no wasua na wokyerɛ ma deɛ wodandan wɔ fom a na w'ani aba wo ho so yɛntimi ɛnka ɛnɛ adesua na yɛnyi ɔbaa so no ɛmfiri mu Queen Bakope mimiti edi a medi ama no ɛyɛ ɛnkɔso ahema ɔma ware ɛkɔso saa so na ɔma relationship ɛkɔso sɛ obi bia bɛkɔso a agye sɛ ohyia ɔba papa ɛnkɔso ahema ɛlɔ baako pɛ mame jafo me mama hawa bibi abɔkɔ deɛ that's it mama Wahon fani de nyamro. Hey. Skin is what so. Nyami shamo pa ese ene mo be come inside I was studio hanu say na me kai wo say Christmas nso ni wo. Wo hwe ma ho ama fa yi a na hye say bronya na bronyo. Say yedi bronya de na onim say Yesu awoda. Yesu awoda nso de ni achen ade pa. Nti na wa chade. Wa ware opa ne na tena se. Bema be yo ho ade ni na tena se enso mo twempana na wo che na de ni birthday na auto ade che efi ho onkai po valentine po no watoto fi po de ache no ana chocolate bi eno ani se etwagu ni ebo ho da rosa but wonye bi da e bia na sukwan bi ana ne ye bi nti na me enne watu ho fu se nya te a wo beto bi ache wodofo Christmas die to bi che no wate Chanadi. Ma wiri sika no lidwa. Ba wonso didwa ma wukum. Na wunyina mo fa ne Christmas no na enede. Na ye toa ye komoti no so ye start ya. Eti fre wukum na wontina se. Fre wodofo no na wontina se. Wompana na woni ne hihya won fre no na wontina se. Na ye nhia de. Obidiafo. Yes, that's you.
I am ready.
Ready.
Action.
Aye. Na Christmas here, Papa say, hello.
Hey, Christmas dear. One year woman to ye didn't say.
You didn't say. That's one Ben, Christmas when you die.
Me. So can I now say a man is some chair?
And who change?
Change so much about
it.
I am my
and don't come as if
it's great.
Yo, now me starting free a year, yes, ladies first.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, intimate starting free, and also. Hello, you share from generation. Yama, memo, breast, so young from free, Yama, on a young yen and another intimate come our room, send you free if it's a new sister. What's a name? You share our rear. You worry your mamma pen so your papa money or what say, any and then so and mama one computer girls and ladies, yeah, boys, yeah, yambe, ya worry so, and dear them panty, and our ready a coca cranny up him. Yes, young baby.
Michia Moshifu, Michia or Basso, Michia's. I'm jamming your bear man. So, and Empress. I dear me say, I'm Brazilian lucky, you and nay, ladies, I have a computer and well, I who say she and you do now. I so we are doing so when you are to be worried. Okay, what's that? Nothing. Our ready just about bread and once it. Now, do a bread and once a pie or bar. Now, bear man swap one. Say, bear man so you're not drinking so be Jenny Yama or Barnon so I am one. Because Bema so cast or bound some bread and once a baby, Susa, or brea will be or bread and once a 2 baby or baby. Okay. And say just a cup in hand to hand. Yes, and at first, and also dear. The man manner drain say, if your mamma more bread, and me and say, or bar bread and once it's die extent, say, Bema Casacron to be. Enti say you ye wa ba ware ase na bebre na ye ma me mre nso so no ebusua na de oba abre o ana say yetimi hu say ye fie we akora we obu ade enti ye de ne ma we ya ege ena oba na nkasa wo kwa ware no ye ka kire so be ma wo koso no enti se be ma ya wade ontimi ko parents wo keke ko kan kire mo say say na wa ya ntimi be fie wo suro kra your mindset no kwa ya nya to you mind ne say papa o boni mo odina mo tina ho enemre nso de ye ne mma ayaba na say ene enkwala ayaba ye de ne say me de oka make bi me chene me right wa ware nya na nche say me ye wako a sort massive it is an nyama mienu we na man difference ne ba sometimes I see it as negative sometimes I see it as positive because obi o ye kunu kro betini mu sa bre no ho ase but it is ya ma ye hu say it say ye wade du a ware mu na wo feel say nya kone ko jaya ware sa de ne yesa de ato wona sa yesa kwakoye white marriage aye wedding court amma enya ye ya na o property obenya enye me dai ni atem enti sisi an ye di adwe na ware sisi obi eni wo kwakọ ware o de na koma ni akọ o hwe be ma ni o wo ansa na wakọ
woni hwia on kokra o
ya ne crowd ti ase sometimes me ya say do so hwe de oni pa no wo nti se o dawa o ni say e betem e na be ma no sisi e kwapo ni ama me ma no so hu say say mo property we no say me ja oba ya oba no so ni betem enti sisi an obi ade na adwe na kwa ware ena ye ma me mre no so wodi oba no woni say wodi e woni say
o be kan bia wa ya wari ama o pe wo mpe o
say o kotena ena o hwe those times so a oba be wa be ma ni fie ankasa wenyi nsi na nya akwala ti say so the 8 years ye pe de de ne ye pe isi akofa de wenyi nsi o bebre na ago nti o pe de ending say your age group for na akwakọ ware o enti no ho ne de fere bi ani mo count me kabi because o woni na boso bi a 1 year pe bi kra age ni ye bi kra oba na kra kwanyi nsi wo enti sa respect na ye kan sisi eni aware na mafo awabi a ye ware sisi a enhye de nim ti se kan ne de no kan ne de obu wo mu kunu fre ni mi wura de ye ka mi wura wonim saw na ye fi miti na sisi akra de etimi force ye fro ben na ye fro ben wo ye nye ne ko sai so di no kra ye mo akra ni se that your friend ben this one come say that you part your force because if you daddy e mi wura ana bibi south massive enti sisi a mi hu ne say ye ye respect asset ye mienu ni ayakoye se o aware ni ye I don't care ye nam te emma ware no intimi nchina
okay what can you na then ene ya ware a edija ye kwa ni ya besie na ansa no afra ne maame no akwatena ne so media ne ba o monka hia media ne ba aware no ne enti ase marriage na nkasa ne enti ase emunti ne ye ba ne sa
maturity for you. I'm saying you about I can't even but me start to say again our area I say me probi no ahwe
okay
and me probi na me na bon and me probi kran na sex and I say me probi na me na bokra ni nyina eseti me na sebe eyo e brand na ye body a
one time me probi ni na obi pene
okay o probi me ni papa na ye
wasarati when am nene go na we so
so on the height ne facial way na senia say long to ya on the wo a o ma ho be se ja no ahead sa enti wo hwe sa nyama wo nyina but se sa idea na wo de kwa ware mu ya then it's wrong because me ne wo no bible ne say meja mena ene meja na me ne wa ho na ba which means say someone in your common agenda
okay
say our bia we call is now we call west in fact and mostly no ship na your team no there should be only one captain say the long kind and man na some way say to say they are more aware it's obema no can and see your back to say brand ya okay there in fact into dey bia na say ship no ye hu baby a ye drive akọ it by ye hu baby a drive bisa say eh fa na ye ba kodu because ye hu o twen abasa me so me twen sere e fa ne konti ama warrior no the way I am na you nim say warrior no to say na sesa kakra
Okay.
because me kai pass me auntie am na etna na o kan say me chere me hu so mo kona till ma be warrior na me say no so Kofi yeah ye be bi enyom kese wo dem no e just say but yes but in my mind no me hu so mo kona let's check out now obetimi ko no ni yuri ababonten
na djuma mu kura
na what I say the foundation na say yes that dignity na say wow ye fi ho na say na say obi abon the bra obetimi obehu aware for but say e ho na we kwan for we sro for this na we so asere why na we yire ne kasa at that time osere
wana na
wo so wana ne kasa osere
ne kasa no see another thing
yes it why you bon komo
woni komo
na ejai but you see communication and trust and for me the basis of what a good marriage without communication and trust there's no marriage so say phone no add communication no and a phone na add trust no because o yire sere o je mo yo na why na me this at that time on Sunday o mo komo it's your worry no enko baby ya and only your problems you
now Ben I want no check say from my relationship na shase mo meet together and mo meet na oba no all the time o you attached to me phone na hu so ni obi or chat da bia mo din komo hwe ni phone so ni ade send attention ni ade no wall phone so a no hu ni sa no and say na o am we hu bibi and I would call worry na still no gusu ya fe de mo worry na be problem ama
Empress, normally, no, dating and marriage they are two different things. So. You see, marriage, I'm living with you. And see, say, the beer break you, but protocols never break you. So, sure, be na, seven on hand in hand. Or call, oh, baby, so, money marry you is a baby, so bad for everyone. Well, you're someone who said what that.
I said, I am in
most of it doesn't happen like that. A few now, it's me graduating into marriage. It's me, Baba, maybe she, I am more. Most of the name is share once a week. When we meet, we talk. But I wear the baby home. It's I have a bit of say the baby home. What I say, how many times do you even call your husband? So, bed, mama, so baby, are you okay? And I say your husband, how many times does he call you? But I'm not trying to check it. Every 5 minutes you have from lunch, what tablet. Oh, whatever. It will happen. It's actually happen. I want to better than
so hello we know a Ben Ken unsusu say enema ye wo ye beginning relationship no and son na ye dia power ye put no into consideration ade bi wo honi ni pane na wo ye wo say wo ka hwe say sa de mani nyemu ye steady me yi eno na ye de power we ma na abeha ye
ade mi hu ni say e just am from the initial stage no inyama bi wo ho a wo mpa so catch him. But you are now feel say, Usuru, if you also obesisa, and I say, be you, your mammy, man, time, and the baby. And sometimes your my beauty catanya be brave, so and I dear will pay. Obi so why, and yet denya bra with them away. Sebra ni yesi, so penny phone, so yesi, when you target to the sebra me worry, who you say worry your painting. As I want to say, yes, how habit no the power remote means. And so no person has brand, you know, or then I doing so well, best as ever. The warena, and ye baba, aqua ninti, South Massey, Sabi Bintino. Won't mean can you walk from the initial stage? Our winner will say what your big mistake. And our range are continue, and our own senior more faces see our tea. So, worry out normal. Okay. Or for pass who commit to my chimp again a crown on your face. Yes, it is saying what they used to. When I am Miss Ghana, what you ask me now, yet, oh, yes, what year, beauty pageant. Oh, what did them? Well, who mistakes? Well, who are bread? Afternoon. It is said, in Yemen, why, yes, I see a woman, catch the bearman and a catch your barn. If you are suffering as with me, the Piamica said the problems. By much the same, you to me more than 10 minutes. Cry. Now, what your fire phone? Now, yes, your phone is serious. Yeah, yes, and I want him. I want me cry home. And just see a don't a growing day and day. You say, our name, or don't go because our communication, you can't see a lot of things. Right? When you be born, even minimum beer. Or pay me pa, one me kasa. On me kasa na me genuine love man. First me pen up.
Okay.
On me kasa me pen. But still, honey, how are you? Sanya man. Sometimes we are very conscious. Now I'm saying panic. Sana worry, so who na mo bon komo sana. Who's our rain a grow. Even kofo be brew our room and kasa sisi our rain so on pet them and you. Oba no so obema no so oba ni biu. Because we need answer be or more kind. Or who sent it so so one our rain mo. So ni mo so mo our rain mo our call our. Oh, ni baby ojina. Why you confused? Why you confused? Because of communication. Sa phone ya be technology ya be kunyawari.
And na novelas kura beka ho. Ya di twi die ya be.
Me na make sure. Enti sanya ma we ezi a share. Sanya we pan say communication hu ya wa.
Okay.
And you one factor. And na obeti be man so be man so beti wase. Ade bi wo hwa ma be man ndwin e ma oba na ndwin and taking a decision. Eso won ne ka. Say ni say nti na me ye say. Emma ye one pair people la ye dreamer me man tempa oni obi sire crowd to me ka say we wedi what be ka say no dey say we wedi
we dey wan
say the ye nka o say na dey say trim
na down for prime and one man I because me say oben
mo and so according to mo communicate well and come by say umi age e say na only ne so oh dey bi we those times that man met say say me say e to betimi akla ne kakra but we no when you account wedi the way you was in or see it no and you start hello so
that's be another dance for oba di nkoma kwatire nti we na Sarah come
na dance for be a girlfriend no and e be on na ye fine but what dey wedding na na wo utirim and you don't trust him from the first time who you say was straight again wedding. Wow,
wedding na
and Martin oh my dear.
Wedding. We are sure some mommy wouldn't.
Oh, what can be? I don't know my yes.
We are sure some wouldn't.
Yes, I see a queer with you. Another way to say, where do we hear me? What's it must say? It's a communication that makes us a what was many times so me just say just as your money just won't come on so you won't say phone far to bed oh yeah ma on bad dia me pa tell me time na mo bom come on na sex na dosu
and ya beba sex ni so then ya kan communication wasa na me misa okun anasa wo ye woni ni bedi nkomo agro be so a efia na pa
sure
and na wo kan sam so atwere obi na obeka bia ejina komoko amudi so
sure
enti komo ben and na purpose etini edi komo e wasa mudi hu komo for and sem ben na wasa moka because obi o hono mo a na sam ye mienu pe akwa aba wadidi asa so obi so wo ha opesa na esi wadwuma mu nyina obeka kyerɛ
thank you you see a friend is saying yembra our bibi kakra aware no say unya de say omu nyina pekasa enye
okay
and now unya de say omu nyina yedi na enye
okay
one should be quiet and then the other should talk normally if you unya bema otie asema is better
okay
because women are not to be talking
yes
it's unya bema
ya kan sama yensi full stop
it's unya bema onu tie asem
okay
na omawo kan no achipi in one be oh and the baby ade kura say na eko
okay
otie nyawo kan esa wo mema yo no che say you are head it would see no body tofa na be amano
okay
but the other way round na oba no tie then there's a problem because obema na kasa you see a man is very good listeners
yeah
into your tie wa oba edi baby a oye bored with you because I say okasa na ya do so ono so penisa
we make point bia wo
they not yeah o mu ya wo kan
we bisa we two campus
yes
the crack
say no crack dey count but no yeah ono be man tie oh what can madam for say this you see come there e ho de bia because say news here there's no one there because the news are every time there's news right
it's the news
and no ko ye obi kura wo twem oton asana they be say na me gina ye ha say me who say obi oton drinks na abrante berema pa okura kunyedi nachi that's funny why I say okona we show you can talk a whole lot
about it
and laugh and go because you see to say your kind communication create love. Young communicate your love, they do. I said the you see, marriage is a full-time job.
Exactly.
So when you're ready, don't enter. That's what people don't know. Say yeah, factors in them, gulant in mana, and there they be a bit.
Okay.
And nothing I didn't know. Or back as oh, some car said me dog 2 years ago. It's the same thing. What are you talking about? You need to tell the woman I love you every day. Because a man you'll be they live today.
Exactly.
And then your catch on watching a makaja. Now catch me. I love you. You are not run of a kind. But and then the enemy.
It's not Christmas. We know their first one can be.
Yes.
Okay,
I love
their
you.
First one.
It doesn't even have to be occasion. Baby, I love
you. So the one used to say that they are back and do their fan occasion.
And sometimes
this is birthday.
Oh yeah, na mo kaka. What took kaka?
Oh yeah.
Oh kitchen. No, I'm not comparing kaka. Oh, it created that kind of intimacy.
But men, women, so no, there was some attitude be where you want. Say bema no ever try say oh yes I did. Now we feel say annoying. Say only ukunu wo ho no one all of a sudden wa ball to. No.
To no say no ball. Obi wo ha wo
it's annoying.
See, it becomes annoying when you have issues for what I'm about to.
Issue new
but issue new okay.
But when you are seriously doing something, that's a
hell, and yes, me buy my bottle. If you want I even come and give you a peg on the cheek. Me buy my bottle.
Some touches be oil of kind of it's annoying.
It's annoying. Maybe who say when you're about now are you find serious jobber ube how
okay
or buy that's who you're flexible kaka
okay
your boat to another corresponding now nobody be alone worth that's how we na be ma onu be di agro amma me ma ni nkwala ni di agro no mo ja ye who say mama pens or boat was adam when you agro ni ja or how we our yes our rental yeah so be ma so foul say you tie na so your mama pens it's mama pens your ba mo your mama pens line gam no abesi but only di agro obo wa na so wa bo na wa shake you so
na your friend
yeah na ma agro ba wa we agro ma our own business say na wa kan na juma kasa ai wo baby a jokes wo mu you wo baby a seriousness exactly into oba class sometimes just when your own baby remember so yes sometimes so mo ye sister ye baby ye
na mo so ye baby
oh yeah yeah still your breastfeeding I want to know say a man be too serious e ma worry mu a o ye to do baby a yawo yayin yeah I go me to sa o ni pemu me dey
oh something forward
wow say you will be you get so much ye kunu o born to no shake it so some time no get baby na be man na you kura
o pin in channel no for no ye shake it
ade wo background wa hipping no for yes ye dey ya go na man say ago no po ade who say enkola na no mo say ye be na sa
sometimes also no eya na emema no ma ema ni bi no e feel less because or try so be pleasing the kuma but that man who ni say wa ono die agro bi wo ba wontimi ni bindi oye ne special but obetimi edi sa agro no wa bonten dressing bi wo ho no ma ompne man yire em dress ohun ni say oyo ba warefo ena society na ye wo mu ni so no wa sorry ma beka o na fofo enye o na wa ware no oba warefo na o hyewe oba warefo na o yesi eye sa na nipa no pa no den no
ade me hu ni say aware de o hyase na no na de be ko ebi
ena ne ontimi zo van start
no enti ade no me go be family a me tell say sometimes I'm crazy
okay
sometimes me shot ade say but minimum time I'm shot ade bi
okay
ena minimum time I'm say what am I say enti so when say sa ba ko no wa ba be fa na ontimi from the initial stage do say sa na mti enti say me ba wari mu ade be say ye kakra bi pe eno de do eno normal sometimes when you do baby anyama bi wo wan kasa wo mpe bi
okay
but ade ni che say wan kasa wo pa wari ni nti wo be ma na wa start a she logozo wo so kra na wo se dam pe logozo isa so still wo be so wo kata wo na and what wa bre aware na wa enti kwan no wa say
afi na o character no na
but no se character is you to be face afi na wa start say no say I say you no time o dey wait ade enyefe enti be na so mu say wo yes enti wo ye no ofo say na again see wasesa na oni nkofo bi then e koso bi to opeso discourage you good opeso discourage you e na your mama bi bi sa na mo tie owaro na first so per life owaro wi opeso obebo life ye obi sa
Obi be pe
obesa
na fofo kra be re
obesa obi kra be ka kire wo so ho ayefe obeka kire say ye kan ntima your dem enye sa dem say when they always want you to know so when you emma so ye mpe ye nyin sa ti dem bia ye 30 na ye di minimum bi already 44 still 44 wa ye mpe yin e na ye so ye nyin da ati ye ma me no pe na nim ye e and sometimes men man part sometimes you say you wo shase because of them who are sebio say your pen ma wa bonten no onim say wo dress sa na e na sebio me mani bi kura ne oba warefo timi da
yeah
etu onim say wo so wo ye o sexy sa obi so be no be enti wo sha de na fata o pa hwe fata kura de wa ye wo
enso na ye
ne pe but obi o pese obi enya wo bi nso wo ha say man bi o mo wa ria na sebio wo na ne yefuni ne bibia
tie ja na ho
mo emema ni bitimi ma wo hu say the way through road kora sadie ni enyenyenyenyenyen eyawo
one woman na yesa
wo kwan ya obeka no asem because sebio yere so okọ out of shape ya na ha adwene because obi ade na yere ba wo de wa hia now dear be logozo yes ala na wo fe ba na wo say ne obeka no ni pem wo enti wo kwan ya obefa so obeka che na mana akọ na adwene so sisi a me hu se na me me ho me diet na ntade bi wo wa wo say ma obi ade ni shape
yeah
the obesa sister be fata anya be fata en so me hu se wa share sisi abaso
me ko
Jesus na ma
me me sa no ma set obi
en na ya sa ko set na ni nia begu ha nti otu wa no wa
ye
yes hana obema ni hu amon fe kura ukura ono so ntimi kante pro so wa
ni na ye meme nya
no de ye ya pena fa de na aburo it as so mami atade de nye it is sometimes e kasa e go
de
obeka che
na ebebo
yeah e po wa utimi hu satade na nye ba wo mo kwa on ne beka
okay ben yamra ehye woman empowerment
okay
yenim se emma no omo me industrious
yeah
oye na dwuma okoba up and down be man so ye dwuma all right onim se ono owo ska ono abetimi aha dan ono abetimi akofa kola betena ne nchen ohwe na busua ne ade ene o se opedan 1000 obetimi ato enso ma chusu be ma ba ka ne beti sa woman empowerment no ene ye mu I know my right no e affect ya ware no ene yana.
You see, your friend is saying, I know my right is different from being a wife.
Yeah.
Maybe they say me to say I should have say my police for almost the eduman ebefi. Yeah, yes,
yes, cry.
Yes, yeah, you're madam what you mean, you are my wife.
Exactly. Yeah.
Why did I say you are the mother of my kids?
Okay.
In Tubafia, behave like a wife. Sebe, me support to say the man has total control. No, mo yes as waffle. Which means say ye na sebe ye George or near my echo. It's the emphasis say babota. Maybe your 60 na more 40. Ye can baby and now the nicer way no do I get number. Na what ye the reason why a man may be a year because some men fear success.
Okay.
Then you real question on pay. Minimum men may be a man in school.
Yeah.
The you do a sijai and could be uko umume. Oh yes, I know bad who pair should start fighting you.
Okay.
Support your woman. Okay? You can support the woman and still make the woman your own. So when you son, they be I say, if I say away. Me, I'll always like intelligent woman to a beautiful woman.
Exactly.
Because intelligent woman, who are intelligent woman, we travel 70%. 30 no there obi who are very intelligent. And yes, kafem. Obi to me my dream to progress in life.
Okay.
It as much as nipa no or ye big girl and not even obefia or so who said ma pa me die we die me kunu ese ni die ese me de man
okay
ade ye ya pa ne se we yue mu ya pa o
what
to say China person do ti ko she tisonku because
Yeah.
say oba matisika afa me ka one waka to because say o si there bi it's whoever you are baby I would say second lady cry or do baby I say CEO some we they have husbands and they go talk to them then I want your position fear you know what they way on say what to be koto what I mean I say so it's time I say educate you say
okay
ejuma no upon one ya pon ejuma no afa wo ba fie no wo ba ba me yere
ja boss no
to fie
fie
yes there was an instance I'm who here obini ni yere wo the same ejuma
okay
ejuma mu no oba ne boss but obodo fie the man your boss
okay
and it's so beautiful ejuma mu no man ne nkase wo ye me yiri nti no me ka bibia ebia wo aka me oppose no but the same time obo fie so a oba ne so bread ho ase nti obo live very happily nti ye hwe ejuma ni say be ye ejuma it doesn't mean say your positions na nya me hye na sesa the man is still the head and the woman should always submit
submission in the elevate very very important
there because a submission thank you
now utie na okay about woman empowerment why you pay and your juma wo ye na ene ukun es okoba na pressure we juma o producer bi o director bi ama pressure I'm not thing who be fie be man so say hey me na me nie
The family.
Share time I would eba e koba ne sa eboa e wo say ye ma ye di adwuma mu de boss aye wo ho e di pa ye kunu nchen wo fie
Na ye kan sa ware na kasa bebre nti ase so what ya ware ase ankasa utumi sa ware so wo na adwuma a wo ye na adwuma na wo ye no
enso wo na adwuma
enti se ne pressure ya ma wo fi hi fa kosi enti na be ma no wo no be ma pressure na akofo
okay
enti eso ko na akoye de awarefo ye na ma sa pressure ekofo na utimi mfa waware wadwuma mu nsem emba ba ka che be ma nka se e be dem abro
onu so yo ba
eso relax na uji wani sa aware na wo aba ukunu nchen so on be jeje so na so jeje no so na wani nji na ma sa stress no ekofo eti aware na kasa na mehu se bebre na shedanti ase anasa aware na kasa love na wo mu no etu
okay
so aware wo hwe se ne ye ka communication ni sa nyama no love grows but ye mani grow bi ye ware bi pe na aware no je say ya ye ne start because nkola wo enti odo no mo ko nkola no me meti ase me pese me kunu do me pa nti no me wa two pe oh just say enu de me ka me pese be man do me no what time
mama
sister
yeah be okay
okay mama and pressure me go for 5 usha wa me bebre usha ma bebre wo mu ntem aware ne nye desa nkola hwe ne ye dwuma papa sister enya se kito ye sa na be man baka no ye wen because asa nkuwa na pressure no enyo be
man no so be osori awko
enyo so
enkola no ne aka nyina ye wodia
enye be man pro nyo no ye e wo musam mienu na mo ye na mo ye but aware aka say ye plan
okay
na ye hu ba bia e di odo no be fa odo no ye be chechem so odo no 100 a woni se adwuma wo se percentage we e na me kunu wo se e na me ma wo se e na be boa ma aware ne akona ni enti wotimi fa sa pressure na wo adwuma so ye career woman wo ye wo so ye career wo wotimi ware bio wotimi ware enti wo hwa wo mama mo husu bia obi a wa ma no husu bia wotimi ware ade wa kofa de wo na wo hwe ni baby be na wo ware fo mu baby ene de wo be ka no be ya ma akofa be ma ogina so semi nya be ma o ti ase ya wo ti aware ase a wo de be ma o si bia no akoti ase me de ma bro ma wo no se ma me se wa bre na se wo de adwuma no be atati to aware na wo ti nya ene no obi obi no enu ano enti na aware se wo ni so be ware dia wo adwuma nko ene wa ware eno de se wo ye ho adwuma
I was so yenny in a Juana Meka was a redly dream, and I was when you saw a wushre name of Kaisa or Patsman, no, Eya na wone ne ntimase na yesua de. For comment enso for your comment section ase e fa mayen. Na ye be kenkan ni nyina e de amaw na embum ade ba kwa ehia ne se me wine no. Omode ase wo be nya bi wo de ice kakra atu mu se wo ho ye kin. What pressure ma kum sa. Wajuma mu pressure wa be same egu ne so madam boss. Enkwala sha wase a wo tue omoka e hwe wo ne ade. And until we feel you are the boss. Mo feel it so so shall party. Mon feel it. Na ye dem probably come out to what else. And I'm hello. When you feel so. Why you pain? And my ye so soft. Asem kakra bi na afaye. Ne yebeti wo ya som no. Eno na ye de. Oba de ne hu be nani bi hu se be ma yesi pa oba bi be ma beto se me kunkran ni obi da but be ma no nim ne nsam ka na o convince oba ni ji a obati ase enti wo kwa be mo fie onim sa wa we na o ti ase problem wo ho be ma ni ye bi sisa o pesa wo complain what can't try no wo bi e wa no na wo sa wo can't mo kasa na obetro no reasons ntia or the years I did now I saw now me and now come. We want to come out on pass. No dear sisters, no wedding. O dear Nusunya baby and my roof will not take up. Adrian, your son will be known. O free panoso could you lady again, but them and one panoso say would be 86 no. And no boy my yet is marriage issue all the time.
Embra sex in the rich with me that after the sex still it just what by wings just to say because I got some now back on and on and on and on and ham I did be a how be a ma kunsunsu and ma worry so any because at the end a ham it is send your bemani be your war I how and I will bear my may how excess still was a catcher the same no cassa at the right time because only bear man and only quite time waiting in a cassa or you are my talk of friend what was soon because we were Juma and until Obi catch or most times I say counselors now your counsel performing sister said they make a on one it's a big mistake because our own so be any bema kwa and our back our exactly and yen who be yama ukuna meet me yama mikuna one and to won our own bema netin I wouldn't knew crying out the first orbit in the bema and cassan wouldn't say bema no per sex or bema do all crap or send your sex and would mean in the bonkom and small baby and no one about baby and my head what is my cat say my cat say we no mommy now so baby as some what dear fuck I did also I did am my chance at them and quality what time would did it's war ban and it just really very wise now said Bema with the end about the camera now soon ye react massacre now so you didn't say what come out to home it's in cabin many Adrian and dear me and ya messiah mana any de bia sa near become at all never so don't weak point there any de bia one of the boss to war ban let us your wise now Bema crown anything
okay and we here Ben
yeah
and Mema dear Muyade but Mr. Dimma no one who sent me here I had a dinner family corner into a higher and there be a minute fan. What was all you do, Pedi? A ballodian, who are so what did you show my eye again? Or maybe you all Pedi. And only himself all the sex of Pedi. And you'll be and say to me more. Yeah, what who said, oh, you're in all the time. Me who or some can, or dear another man, no one corner, or dear another man, no one corner. I didn't know you should say. Point most men use that point. Not months nursing your balance nursing cassette. You're going to her. Wait na me ye. Eh be a war ban so say na we ye. Ain't na mamma so me ye say. Then you use sex to cover your subain.
No sir. Remember. I give you a
yeah.
Your ego.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can you? Most of us.
And the ampao.
Yeah, it's a keep very.
That's what become me sorry. Everything.
It's any sex
na. I am a man is show one more cancer.
Oh, that be. And yes, sir. That be baby, I tell you fee. Baby,
okay.
You see, when you see a value in a woman, and when you value women, saying sorry to your fellow human being, it's not bad. But baby, you are why money no pono person war ban na sampa ni cho. Inti me person me power cho inti me ma on cancer no.
Asem no mama.
Ha to start ya na dem say unu fi ma no bo pe obedi ya na na ya bo. Na de bia. De bia na ni say. Say you can but sem na kesa wo ho. Inti but you see the danger is this. Obey side na one day. A man or woman you say na me bo. You be ma bia no mo multiply.
Yeah.
You want sperm mama inipa. Oba ni aba ni bi o multiply ti.
Say your cry ni ma yi.
Se wo oba bi a o mu ni kunu a. Uko genesis of it. Ni kunu na start. Most of it they have be man. Until we say one day or explode here o oba mu ade. Ni awodi ama mi a me ba be nya na de one way to am no fo. Why ya na ma refi afi na aboile ababi a. And you go so here cause masa me ma onye. Na afi go sa samaba.
I don't know what me 2 hour adwuma or the about boss.
Yes, as much as you are a man.
Okay.
You see, when you beg, it does not show you are weak. It shows you are stronger. Because it takes a stronger person to beg. Say my meaning say my phone. Now me with that strength in me. I can say I'm sorry.
Okay.
But my Jimmy, my phone the gram song. It shows that you are weak and stupid.
Yeah.
But meet me a patcho. Oh baby, wait here. My name is Facha means be. But Sassam now can manage near all. And cast a Facha means be not watching and baby. Was you give him I say,
so when it's all the patch or the better?
No, and also the next say you are trying to be something else. Oh, Pacha, let it be genuine.
Okay.
Because if you are Mikra, you say, I'm here.
And your bonnet.
Who say,
yeah,
it's a beer. Oh, baby, near Marco, the baby bro. What can 1, 2, 3? Papa, my cousin, my woman, pet me also when you break. Okay, my child. From that time, my body changes. Okay. It will sex, it will explode back to you. Then
the one has a steady. Hello. Young share a nip pa, your dear buy a 1 week. And I say you're willing to chip. And my young prophobia yakasapa, especially your co baby na hoda, ye dim command cassa. Ye di postia who say yes, your copy baby papa.
Yeah,
can't name and ye no better say. So what is pizza and a honey fever. So what is it? It's a nipper pen, and I wasn't doing commodity. What can we who can you man put ye a free open side, on silver side? One night was so in a dim common. And I said, one and I was all in a bow fee, and Mamma be dim.
And Uwaria car, and Sessa and Commodity who didn't want it. Even were boots young for quail, mammy, and now my papa, and Sessanka, only this uncle. But it gets to a timer as a one Cassano, why ye be more exactly. And come mediums your bar, come as someone and then a bit dingo. Now, may your bear man swap or barney mammy and I can be dingo. Because ye bush your phone dingo. Yana bearman who you with me. And to a number was as Anna be anymore. What do you know? No, dinner, I want and hair. And too much I say, bear said 3 years. One I was saying, oh, we see someone on yeah. And you sound never be announced. And I would jeer 2 moon out to one yard. Oh, let me I your son. Okay, Mammy was so advertising to a bit, but it do baby. I'm not who we had a mobile semi banner pretty bear who ye then. And in the Sibu say any bushiana cassa. And how because I'm more drawing. And to warning us was so doom come one. Only the never bear man. And to the never come now, the who come and yenny ya on ya as a papa will call you. And now what to move from no one's about for friend out to watch me know that. No, I can't see one Cassano, what's a what say, as soon as Pemasam.
Okay.
And two friend now Cassam China. She said, or no, the right person who said, oh, sad you who come your baby, your papa, and you miss what I give you one or swam or advice, baby, you say, one and no more. It's me, dear. Sana me my dream chair, say, say, what problem, who fuck up Bema, Nebusiako, not Obema, so found call.
And yet
now for now, for the giant, and tell me your break cramaye. Or look great to me, cousin, a Bema will cry a Bema.
That's not better.
And so, young copena, sad, gone what things are
on Yabi.
Well,
What's what I said, I know
more empty enough for dear, no way. And I mean, the Biamicas are soft one, or my own say, the air cost will be as in Biomuni. A Diomuni. Because I also foresee and be yourself on pie. Oh, that's also what I'm making evidence on positive Jesus. And to be used as Uncle I say, but you want to so many what's up on the bone command or two was now so and then we are say I be. What I was about any people, which I then sort of wild shall be asking. Also for mommy acting, I know you now not to think oh, there be also for my group. It's any one money saying a cafe away. What will be our
we all kind of transit. A rubber that's what I'm saying. Who was seeing
I win also the Bejawa. Well, no, but passion into one other news on you. How? Ubiani dear Hanwell. Everyone wants to be a while. You couldn't see a one treat to one pet. I didn't know you won't treat the same. Well, but no so deep, can continue or the bunny. What no banner so go carry you go carry halfway. No, but get
it's not about the
it's a new pet. It's what can so they be all here. Something a power.
And also Kayano. Oh, can a ferry? So what catch you said.
But you have a catch a pasta.
I catch a was simple, what's the same?
So tell me because I was saying, you come there in the bar. And so I don't because I quite name. When we are how you did but I'm not you or not to know but I don't know. And so I'm doing or my people who possible because it's sad. So when you say, problem. And so one of the friends say, hey. That's also the aquarium. And yeah, dear, you catch us here, Gary.
Yeah.
Won't pay Gary from going to bring out to so went to won't say one day how about or Bayana.
I should be also, I'll not so back. I said, hey, who couldn't try to sing what to me? And your felly and not make a onion. The onion. One cast out to go so on and you know, I shall what dear and found for one found. And so we were joined your uncle the cassette that day. And then the way we say it, no, that day, open complain or buy yes, or that's me. I said, no, and to me, let them cry and call my name. Or dream one, Ben, yeah, name also. I know my cacasan. What can you do? I know the cassette you want. What can you do? What can you do? No, yeah, back what a young problem. I want Mamma side and Pessel and Ujiano at the mining. Now, shall for Mamma were yes, I and most were very careful. Mamma young prophobia, one more now for Shia Mocasa.
Mazukasa.
Mamma Casapa.
Mazukasapa.
Then the building send a year dance to baby Eddie, the year any being coy. Oh, can't drop and no one for one enough for fun. Now, oh, not for fun now, or catch on or buy no Betty. A coban is one cassa bema, then I will.
Maybe I may say, were you a reflection of you? Seven, we catch you with some year, Jimmy. Me, Jimmy focus. Because me, send me legend. Now, because Miss Majin. Ain't he Sabe and in Guasia, dear? far and men when you're sometimes when you be you even prefer say your wife will drive and then you walk.
Exactly.
Because I prefer some if you work than me, driving and wait. But in that vice versa. Exactly. As much as possible. Yeah, mostly, what we do is we don't talk about our wives. In common, girlfriends in common. Oh, it be a jolly day.
But then the video I home.
Oh, is that? I make up. Papa said, Ejina, enough for 4 wofa.
Okay. The
because
friends you have.
Good. Because we, in our case, let's say, baby, crazy, say, well, you ever complaining about you. There was one issue. Not your dad for Bakubone.
Okay.
What him say, you guy need to search now. Yeah, because why should you do that? By your girlfriends, they will do quite a mechanic as who with a jar on that. Send you up on you.
Never for.
Me, I come and what I say. It depends about what you're there. Under no circumstances, I say who expose because who exposing me we are. Oh, sorry, and now we'll call. On that for that. I've got with power Jimmy. I know those Jimmy son, those are called. Oh, what go any mass? It's when you're there. You shouldn't even bring your wife into the conversation. If you don't be crying, in Bema, oh, Charlie, you can't be before from.
Okay.
Your wife is your wife. Unless an issue be about now, we have been complaining. No, we feel say we need to talk about it. And you can't know how to, go about it. But when you're there, and then I'm basically not good at massive. It means that you're not mature.
Okay.
As a person, that be that.
As a person, you are not mature. Hello. Yeah. Young share and man say, Oba Kwawari, na Obi or Hokra, 2 respect. As me one be. Young kind of what? Yet here, chillia. This is type of whole dear. Or I will come here soon as you were dying. Or I really pass soon as you were dying. O tie and ye nipa bekanti. Ade na enyen osimi mfiri tena na metima. Makoba ko ya kasa. Mienu enti we de enya kura metima. Eboa.
Oh. Tie. Emwa. Pa die ene de emwa. Nanso so ubekwa awawe. 2 weeks prosimejai. Na chese expectation bi na we expecting when ya wo mu na wuja. Because our real pa ye ka our real ye do ye mu pa. And say you 2 weeks prosimejai. They don't know anything about the man and I go worry. You go na won say me time aso ya say me worry. Wow. Time no day. No sure be ma say be me dey chale. Go sika. I say be me go be kura papa. Hey, it's in him. Now ko e be mo so wan so na dey easy. And no na ye o ti me ka say dey me worry. Me da who be say be on to me. You go sure be ma ne height any yi na. O ko e na for kitikiti bi dey go. Na when ya but the senior ya ka adiesu musu nsa nye din. O de hu ni e ko de e ba.
Do any pain?
Yes.
And you
kuyi ama wa ma say we dia na say why wa drink so ba asora ba be ya wo to say Roman sister. And na konya Roman mother father e wa so na say nya sa de bebo so. Ni e fa de say gidi ya ware wa ko. Expectation and you should be my height me here. Okay, I get also we do something different. And the difference in one man. And it's said you and can my try a crown. Now what try it, dear sister? Then maybe wow, we got a minute for pot and I try you. I didn't know sizes needed down. And in the woman I will size one. Won't meet na one.
Where your pocket no one.
And when what you also on one level be able to me about. It is sometimes I worry na ye can once you just say me new na me worry me new and no sa no so na ba na say me tine mu sa and ye me fa na sa and so na wo kun e mani be bra worry ma wo nye fe bi and na mani bi so ho time pass so say worry ma no why fa ma wo kura mu na say eh na no why so yes sana wa fa store sana ona ye ka sa mo fa store because I worry no what's name on ka so nya ahoto wa wade ni enye se wenye skasen na so ahoto na wonya wo mu nti ama no ho asa ye fa ka wo so wo de no so ni se wo pa aware ni nti na wo koye nti wo koya wo se be me onya sa be ma ya na be dwen se wo ye nti afedie estrengo afede wo mu se ne wo ye wo afo wo hwe be ma na e hawo wo hu be ma na wo ye maso mi se wo ti kwa aware bi wo hu wo be ma ni nya ba pepi na wo ye maso Jesus wasaba or kasakra na no bon. They no more so na no bon. Because you don't love him. They now we expecting any
more into a hatred.
It's our no. Mr. Yeni age. When you whoop no worry. And so all your body cry, you can forgive the person. If you don't love the person, or your body back who mean person, and you will be jai so sound worry. And our own did be a because it will be a mawari day, can I? You see, I say this in the copper. And so yet to be born, you'll be so in a bonko. You'll be able to do some worry. To me, men California dreams a media independent woman, and to me, young media, Mossa, Unyana Wunya.
When young cap,
when Yanaka would them and to us,
I said them was soon. Was said them was and then, oh, now for 4 hours, they're not any him very near 2 bouquet near dear. Pay you at 1 nanos or sending them. Reception as your baby. I may no more.
Everyone, you're better look at you. I be what where are we? I
also wanted there. I already Christmas or Papa baby.
And I'm making. And see, I already am Kayanya, Dorothy, I say, oh, you're perfect on your baby infinity. So when you're Bema or you're perfect, and then you're perfect, sir. And so we see the Biamaka say, Bema, you're singing your before Bema, I remember the first marriage, I mean, I can't worry. Said you, Bema, and I'm worrying the first. Mr. Brad, we won't see it, maybe a look. It didn't be a day. Listen, me, we swear on a pay. May say, and do 1 year, a birthday party, me not before buying your skin. Who can buy it for Papa? You understand? Them money the color yes and members how much was I won't get a cup for me to be I won't cry for saying. Messi them man the pantania na ya did I had near with the Zama when now to our yet sitting near me pet bear man sana na way. Me not go by and so me one no mobile homes in them I was a long day or Pecasentia almost them and Pecasentia then we are maybe Washington. Bear man you dinting and offers and then the smoke will be boom. You must say bear me or you're forceful. Or bear more year to my manager. Or bear more year to my young fit. Or bear more year to me to lose away the home that's right. I want just to do co baby. I any. To your bear man or vision, one in the bunk of my Yakotoka hat. Baby, no to me for one. Or back to Manchester. Manchester, son, to build a bunk of my bow. There's time for everything. Charlie, and I'll go to say you want to say a bit. I never said I'm there be a but I want to know say our future for the two of you. If not only be no status or can near man nebua. It's meaning mood I did one but now just your worry you tell me because I already understand. You want you do 1 year pass papa here say ya because I'm not yes and to bear my dear as who bear my kwa
and son. And yes, Obi Bakaya, now often say our real baby, I will do the so worry. All new Mrs. Now worry. It's in any amount of may copy. Debbie M1. Ben, young share ya warrior you come. What's now warriors? Watch him on a pain. Near or by whom say M1 to the ticket man. Na and neck who fear back. No one be found. No, what's here. You okay, dear? Minute. Kinsey, them then were honor on Cansan 7. Then I will be. A dear man from me, now I do on Tessacra. Now when you're not to say. I was on 2 years. If you say about compare your ex relationship to your current one.
I know they are born. That's what I mean. Why should you compare me? That's the first question. You see, maybe I make say first mistake, it's all right. But won't mean you're the same mistake twice.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to marriage. You find to say, what worry? I worry no one you may be a won't pay. You may be uncle, you won't me. Now what's worry the same thing. That means you have a problem.
Okay.
Because what with the first one? One or two things it's oko be and so we share the opposite of the person now oko. Now my worry when we now the mother compare ex. Now ex no papa can't go.
Exactly.
What What did I make her say? That is a no-go area.
And you're not dressing pa. Or
It doesn't matter.
Perfume, I know what.
Or dressing pa, maybe I don't mean you.
Time.
And I don't mean you.
Yeah.
Baby, I mean dress you. Maybe she can help. Me do here.
Who told you about
Me told you about it. No, I know also can see vision.
Yeah.
Or be maybe or prefer so better shoe 10 million, 12 million, 15 million. Or be so better or the better assassin. It's one way to me. It's okay say me ex no dear was just
life, yeah.
1,500 to Pocotobia. It means you yourself you don't know what you really want. And what do you see in me? How can I say me waro? Well, until there no go area.
Okay.
I don't ya worry. Now some about the ex ever be traveling for. Then you be jai. Because it means that you need to go back to your ex.
To your ex, not me.
No, not me.
And today now they are way jai.
Be jai worry because no go area.
For you.
No, for most people.
Okay.
There's no way I say me compare it to my ex. For what? Oh, now my ex you cry there. No, we did not take him. What take him cry at the jai? Say let me take him back up me. What is it? Maybe I because what's your man? Or your badgemba won't say if you not want to perform.
Yeah, you saw my answer law.
What is it? What did they do? But what's the only answer to what it is? No, be at his head. You know, oh, be a no be a
and you will be a guy. And you will be a guy.
And you want to do all cry to the sumi. Yeah, you know what I want. What is it? Tell me there. That be no worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing here. Comparison in marriage. Aside they say, we don't have current relationship. What do you compare with ex no? Obi or or friends, Nikuni friends, or banner so friends. Partner no either or banner and Ben Martinica say you pass me see here. The way I will see for addressing for a ya yibi. Who ni pass me see ku? She ye pin or kasa or tunable kasa. And then now the air will cast a rough officer who say wedding any pen. A young sweet. In yet obey some comparison.
Obi obey say be on your matured.
Okay.
And obi called in the ex, it will be for an just when you had the feet, our previous one will home. And as a relationship no come where a good year. When you be beer and fit is any pound in a bob baby how. Because oh, me say my wife mistakes people have it's not even set up, Miss Biffy. A beefy, my ex-husband. And to me, go back, metomable.
Thank you.
In Yama be what, Messy, in Yama be what saying a mayor. I did be film be a very negative, be a sweet be film.
Okay.
And to want me by air comparison, but I could not dressing in tin. I said, no, kind of dressing it went to me and outside the name say, where you're not dresses, where they're not yet saying so. There be a young be another pesa. But you were quite a fast forward the catcher's chair. Because of Babu, me say I like perfumes. And to know by me what, and as who could be beer with something now proud, so you are one perfume. Well, if you are not better to walk around, me ex-husband only, or no perfume means spray, I'll be feed them more side, but what they say, yes, about. Oh, but it's on pay. And so to me, the tonight, I say to me, the Gary at the end of the Quaquayan, I drat or go. And I do crowd on them the perfume. Yes, I did. And you know, it depends on how I only can make and say, baby, no, so pay. And to know bit to Miss Brat, you know, I had to work for some time and son. Yes. And teenagers who bear my crown and now, say no bear cannon. Yeah, because of the way I will approach you at the end and money pan will pay. Now the independent. Hey, the other ones in Quana, the father was doing the way to their father. Hey, well, so we should not bear my name. Who better that to be a man? Who on a bed dinner say, honey, we saw perfume or could be just honey, perfume now to my baby, papa, for be good. And what crying your fast with the cassa. I've been once or once, I they said, so yeah, no, so yet. But then I only used to. Then I do what no pay. And about come on, no, pay, did you? Oh, 6 cents now, or per se, Bema, sure.
Okay.
It depends on how I will be cast. I'm a nipan, a penny crack, 1 penny do crop, a penny crack. And to comparison, our room, this is when you're mature person. And to who them and so corners of whom now for us to get ready to say anything I want is I get And where you're different from way. And 2% way you say ain't mean possible. But who that one say to baby or baby or the local baby, a cassa a kind or what baby. Oh, look at that, I'll make a summon to swap on the one giant or bet church and some and ye.
Why tipsy?
And it's our band. No, say no, baby.
And no Sandy Kumba Kwajan.
And no son one day be kwaja. Say no e kasacha one one day obi ade biama aso.
Okay.
And to kwa wo super bad be man to be unsa sa de nete suja. Because ya kwani amfa wan kope no we so obi ba be sha wan.
And so it
oba yes oba so ti me see ya wo kwan ya betimi dey treat obi ama ade bi o ye obeja. Enti ya ko ti say amfa wan ko so ti yes adro so ko ye nia ye guess ye nia ya ware ye enti wo fra adro si chale ye wo sports no ye na ya fa me akọ kasa me ko kasa ye enti wo enti ebe ma wo ba no wasesa yes who start say now you could do girl o to am kasa wo de bia na o kasa wo yes a ba na fe no be kasa because as a what force no wo chere no so be ka say eh uni am de sa na metie me kasa me your ba me kasa me church nsem o be kasa cho and it depends on how I want ba na be kasa obeja and na say no be treat na obeja
yo me dem say na wa wo hwe me and the red dream ya kasa afa e die bem pa na and next generation na wawe ya kwa endu ba bia na ejita awarija ya ba compared to ye nananom address aware no enne ye de no entimi enye sa ana eno ana yeguso a ma bedwa forward ha no a woni me sua de na wo church yen wa wo hwe me na otibi hu na suban na ye bobọ so no dandan na dia na wa bomodin a na also wasesa eye wo so wana montuo wa brabo wo nanfofo kasa na wi osifa ka won sam kire won fefo ene okogbo nkuro okwa no wadi egwa watena se obi anka ne de wo hu se wo te ho no wo de kwa obi anka bi wadanfo patient a wakotena ne nchen na wo super wo kunkyere no waka ne de a kire on kan kire chop money a yeyi ma okoka ne nyina wo obi o si sa enye hwenyi but bisa say okay bi ono nka ne de encho e kire say okra ne de entu susua say no be kra wo de ente ye de besi enunti sorry kra ye to aso oba ya hwe sisi a ye firi soro a ya besi ase ye di bewi a no ai na ya hwe say sa ye ma we nyina wakwa ware sa ye ma we wan so na wo ye wan wo ko so obi o ha e subanya tag ya yakoma sha bi o da ye nyai owra emro enti obi a wote sa ontimi nsesa na bra o peso sesa e kwan be no won faso sesa de wan kase je so jitu je so o peso sesa obi eni wo betimi asesa ade bi o ha wo ye na enwa o penipa na wo ne nete na o timu sa ade wi a wo ye enwa ware no yeso wan kasa o timu he wo benya councillors e wo biase mi asa wan kasa wo ntuni wa adwen se mesesa dia enya de obi a betimi abe ya ma okay in the first place wan kasa working on yourself say ade boy yeso mi jai and I mean sa ade aye habits e wo so de dada no jai a easy and dey so no we start from somewhere okay one started from somewhere ntimi end and we start in kakra say bia wo kasa bebelia wo be twa so kakra wo say wo kasa bebelia no wa pause afi won kasa bi na go bisa ya no wo ba kai no mushu e ma mi asa mo kasa ro si epia wo de o kasa wo ti mi kasa na mo no ya o kasa na e ba na mo no mushu wo so pe so ka bi bi no mushu kasa na emma itu wo be start say wo ya de bi e be so pese kasa na kakra ko wo baby e so kasa kodu wo ai sensa wo bi wo starting sa no ma 5 bottles of cream nika to me man no create ni na wa ko gun ho ani mase e wo baby sa na ese no etu pese wo jai so untimi fa one day kasa wo be jai wo be starting from somewhere so no 12 bottles wo be starting say wo to so 11 10 ebe kwa akosi 1 na ucha 1 pe na wa bro why okay wo be
Enti no anu de one kasa na jeso ka jo nze suban we yesi mija
o se mija me yes
sana
anybody
people bet me invite you obi into your life to change it for you.
Okay.
Why and that's obeboa obebo ntimi change it but obeboa ama na ade no so wo sesa na wo partner no so amoa wa ye de. I say we are addicted to something. Now person will die. Now for what started come was some baby. And wow, to say we exercise so your bar also. Now what started exercise. So we say first 2 months and I say 1 month. And show more we say watch. Na be me be kesia na wo say you. Twede wa funu aye. It doesn't help. So betimi asaye exercise na ko wani. Because again my ya say cry more die so still ye fuya na eti. And I see be so proud. Yes.
Menya manyu say me exercise.
Or because say na be me so ba be me so ani ya de ama. Sometimes we think we are changing for our men. A lot of women have that mind. A lot of them are more calling to say Juni Sanya is because of their men. They be amika to say one kasa don mu. One kasa don na be man na
very important.
Yes. Be man na wo yama na obi ti bi kasa bi suba na osesa sama ne be man.
Obe jaya ko.
Enti no se be man no kasa bi fa suba no pe na je se mejai. Me and I'm saying exercise naturally like jai no say me be dia se no because me and me yama no won pe.
So for
exactly.
Me do we be nya wata de side.
Exactly. Enti na ade no one kasa na do one kasa na ka che on say ade we habit is me jai. Mo me. Enti ma me jai. So work on yourself before we pan out on so to you. Ono ba kra na sisi e kra po why unti na me say unya matured man so to one be oba hey we really low to. Na make obebu an ho nye fe kra wo entu si mo oye proud wo bi da wo kra wo ye fe no timi ma hu so wo obi a because ne kunu timi ya de bi ma no so no ne oba nko wo bi yes wo nya be ma sa esika enu de esika kra de nye bibi enu ye de si bibi a be ma no wa ba no kra wa se no timi ka se sisi wo ye fe papa ade na wo ye sisi ata tina kwa ma wo shape ne ba enso obua na se da tete wow, it's encouragement. Say, also, wow,
and we pa ben. Young sure nage. So, who sense changes in your partner, and answer with your partner. And you say, over nagging all the time.
No, it's not the way to go. You see, a member say, Ichinage, or bow nagia na push away. And about nagia, you will not see anything good in me. Bibia maybe an awful say bad. Nagging there, that's the least thing that you should do. But Samuel can what you should do, you should find other ways of, trying to protest your case. To say my baby I won't pay. Sometimes silence is golden. Remember, you're not real about it. You're not in here. Say, Bema betu. Say wabetu open. And what does
or sheso. Now why you
no omo ntimi nye bi.
Ebe jokora.
Obi a pension bi ma be man, mani nyare.
Wow.
Anywhere now so jo de.
Hey,
yes. No. There be me ma sign no. Me don't pa ba me. There be eno ni agro no. Jo de anywhere no.
Until the
esa ka wo ma la fo abedi no.
What dey che?
Na wakasa kra no conscience na
ebe yo. Be man do what sorry. I will not go up a son because it's greedy. But I'll bear what become money if you are. Because of my blood your credit also. We are Bearman Castle or the council of memory. Hey, Massa, we be Bearman. Can't be a baby or better. Look, or back with Yama on your beard. No, I'm telling you. And come once and would die. Hey, no, dear. No, when yet, there be when you're obesio. Eh bibia me kire o baby o ye up to now ni kunu empe o baby abi
but
I'm telling you
share o dia de abi bi say wan ka ho asem na ye what am no ato
no
o betimi anya twin bi de pre
tie be man na ono otem se se no ni ma dwe o tri o kasa
eno so na enyi
dangerous o be mo tanya o be twen
But over time, no.
Oma de diani so ni a obefa ba se o ka diani ne chance.
Some drink that kind of.
Oma ni nsu o ti se na drink isi hey.
We don't
Na
know.
dia bra o se je.
No kakra.
Obeti.
No kakra.
Baba ka se di kai no man sa na ma no.
Yeah, but you see, one of the ways. What is it? But now get there, and yeah. Sometimes no, asem na ba no. The reaction is say ebia wakohu or battle ukunu kem. Ebia or kissing.
You keep calm, then later you find out.
No, not find out. Open find out though. Sometimes you need to keep silent.
Sometimes ya do se kan be dwan.
Obi oha, you people obi expect some reaction from you. But you kept quiet.
You withdraw.
You went home. Oba, oh baby, be patcho. Say ono aka o ti wa na we na for say
but you can't you're careful and I say baby so but I was so what I said who is that person?
There be trouble. Say who is that person? No be okay see obi there. Who say go say who is that person? Yeah, trim put am so. Wait there. No, hello.
What
goes of fiancé and now okay see obi. You still have to ask who is that person?
Oh, literally, Rebecca Safas.
Often I know today.
Oh, literally, Rebecca Sawas. I let them my penetrate. And you are not banning and you're into the coming talk.
I said,
oh, no, man, no sense. I want you to talk to me.
Oh, no, can they explain? But you see, they be a cassette, young man. Oh, yes, Anna. Now, I say babies. I said no reaction, no, I mustn't be a near pet. Who say, Minimity, I will cassa. Minimum to South House. Yes, but sometimes, when you keep calm, them man. Who said it you move for? What do you mean?
Me mama tina sen kamanu ntum se bibi ensi
exactly
na bisaw
that's what no it's not the first time bisaw there be me there I can take some time because also obufu a obetimi akanse
that's yeah you do am so
no be man
from 2 days
now 1 month 3 months
there be said 2 days no bra o dey yes yes
hurts me
there be me say so say
what did you be
there be Sashi so na akwose ye.
Atia
me pepa me pa ya madam bi di asem no. Ase ti se me kowro. I tell you that be so akasa ni nyama na mi ama ho. No me amato ya fa. Asa na se. Who say ma to bo za ya ka. This week here amato. What is happening? Me mo free at ease and sana ma be fro akasa what's happening. Then you see. Asa what chechemu. Remember what manim no what rem esu bi amesu because I am here just out yeah hey I tell me dey make me twa me ntro me pentro ba we dey twa me ntro na makoma ntwa me yeah because me so na dwe mo makasa na dey na say me no tie madam fu we woni na kwaya sade
so na jemu na e free wa
je ba
e wo say jemu bi an say ni ho but it's better to talk about it
so let's digress a bit. Who's a mostly a man or another from you see a dangerous thing I am you papa on united no sorry maybe no jam no say about it's me bon come afi u bo so be papa no come no ti afi wo ma one day nyina e pi do me dia ma bro
we are discipline na won yes sir
oh ma ben we are discipline ben the higher
I know there sometimes mama
the higher na
yeah, I'm not justifying my actions.
Empress, I don't like I said, me no wadan for me.
Who pie say pie. So I be swam na say nwa yete ana bia me wo kitchen ye aduane dia ba. Then na enkomo be na mo bi ya we.
Well, every corner TV sisu ni afi obi abede.
Enti mo hwe kono. Enkomo no ye dem be pese o ana do we o divert ya dwuma. Every pie baby for batobua. Enya dia be ye tuma. Yankoma na yete. Me ya sure say we suan de pa. Woni aba honso. Me so me suan de. Ena mi kofia me kosakra ne no. na ma worry no etimi akonkan na me ma enso etimi aware akonkan because ade bi a ye na enne no eya na e affect mo fa na e wo nso enti enne no e de besi ha na mo da sene ya besi ato aso na so ansa na no ma bedwafo nko a wontu ahwefofo ankensi minyai wo sa kra enti ma start free that him aso onam sadin ba kokko ahwefo awarefo obi sum obi breo amafo bre eso nko obi afu mu a oso nko ana wofo no eno ba go batu pin obi dia na say sana wo dia ne ye ka bibi kire wo
de meka ne say aware inja age man pa se me do age we nze se me ware eno sa no ufa bia asa enti wo pa ware ma wonni biye ka ware wo ni se me fa ne sa je se me wo aware yenti ye ho ase ansa ni akwa aware because aware kwan no wa gemetimi aka chewa
jo me da se oba eno men what they can you be can
oh make up 2 words ma ambrase na me ma ya do
okay
yes our dear ma mare mo was dia yes ndo bo
o kwachi no se odi nso ana we be support yo me na wase esa me tell sa from no e de ma be boa me pa ma me program no so aye de nyame hira mo na nyame ya duma next week me hwese me sanso afre mo bie mu a na Christmas nso me mama official
I think committee
muni ni you
oh yeah ya start to credit down
okay
ejini
de ejini
mate me do fo enne aha na ye dibisi na mo me kai wo se ne wasu nyina fa ye dwuma entie ne keke enye no nti na ye wa ye pese wutie na wo de ye dwuma wo practice ne wo lucky na de abehye ho ye bi free mu fa bi hye mu na ma wa we no enso na mo na me kai wo se o pese o sponsor your program ya akwanya no ho e de ma fa number na twibu screen so na enu edi ensamo so afi so kai se efia da bia enumre e na red na dwun ye de ebe somwo e wo too much echi so na afi so no mesiro bro mo ase from okumo ba sanso na be mo so do yere obro de ye firim convince and the bebo yere emra no be win sa fedin emfa mo no fedi twen emfa mo no what you say na like videos na share and then that will share and now subscribing and the video be at one announce etimi akebe na wine so dey hu hia the be am catch us with dey obenya na gudi ho a when your wine kakra ice cube kakra amu the ice ne two anum na wo dan techema no o the two parts na nenu na wo dan when you be ho so dey na ye dey ye nya ise ne dey bia dan so da ho na me na twon toko aba ya kolo card yes so ye mudi ne the Christmas eve be sero be ma ye di Christmas eve se wo be mo modin a kitchen no put top hall no put top bedroom no put top doggy no ye baby woman me man na kin kindness isa se da bi di aboa ma ko tiani ye de e chenu so ma fo me dia me just funny Empress Anne e me nyina kichi ba ko odo hebma Mrs. Kwache that's an ye besa so eshia makra